my ice maker stopped working, so this is what I've been told to do. I have a Samsung, and so I turned off the refrigerator. I'm gonna leave it like this for a night, and then hopefully tomorrow I will wake up and everything's gonna work. When the ice stopped working, I couldn't take this off. It was just stuck, so that's why I knew I had melted ice inside. So I left the refrigerator off for 1 day so it could melt. So now it comes off so easily. So if you're not able to take this off, just leave it because it does break easily. So just leave it for 1 day, it will melt, and then you'll see there's the ice. So I will leave this off and have the doors open for a couple hours, and hopefully then I could have some ice. Let's see if this works. Okay, it has melted. Looks good. So I'm gonna put everything back together. Plug it in. Okay, you pull down here and then it releases. First time is always harder, but then the second time it's easier. So now I need to press the reset button. And they said for like maybe 10 or 20 seconds. Did you hear that? Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's a good news. So it's reset. I'm gonna put this back on. Okay, and then I will wait for 24 hours and see if I will have ice. Wish me luck. Okay. Let's see if it works, baby girl.